all of you already know well about the small-scale chemistry, correct? Yeah, I would like to talk about the project and overview of it. Because we have problems that students kind of not really interested in science, learning science much, right? That is because they never have a chance to do experiments or hands-on activities. However, with the intention to encourage them to do, we have to think of safety for the students and of course for our own as well. So that's why I'm trying to bring a new technique, a new approach for the students to learn. That is, we call small-scale chemistry technique. It was very successful in Thailand, and that has been kind of sponsored by Dow Chemicals Thailand. And then we are thinking of neighboring countries. We would like to grow together as we have AEZ. So it's just an opportunity or maybe a chance that I did discuss with Charit, and he agrees on that. So that's why the project has been started. Okay, so it has been started since 2017, and the objective is to try to kind of motivate or encourage the students to learn science, and at the same time, I'm thinking about to build the capacity of ASEAN teachers to be able to carry on the small-scale chemistry technique and also spread out into your own country. That means we look for a sustainability of teaching small-scale chemistry technique to the students and also spread it out to other schools that they will have a chance to be in this project. So we really rely on you, everyone, every individual, that you have to carry on further. Well, unfortunately for Myanmar, it's already 3 years, so it's ended. This year is the last year that Myanmar will be in the project. However, I'm thinking, trying to save some money. Maybe I can bring a few teachers coming back to networking again next year. Okay. Well, the project, as you know, we started with training in your own country, but then after that, it didn't mean that you have to use our kits. You should be able to design your own using materials or local materials that are available in your country. But you have the concept, how to do it safely, how to save energy, how to save chemicals, how to generate less waste, those kind of things all together. Okay? So we have training in your own country. That is about 100 teachers in the training. But we can afford only 10 talented teachers that come to Thailand, and you are those talented teachers. So you should be very proud of yourself to carry on this technique further on, okay? So not just only come and train here, but you also will have a chance to meet the expertise. It's not just only me. There are so many people in the world, but I try to select one each year so that you learn a new technique besides what I had given to you. So you remember yourself here? That is 2017. That is very nice, the first year that we did in Myanmar. And the Minister of Education presided over for the opening ceremony. And I remember they have also TV, right? That's on broadcast to the whole country. That's really interesting and very amazing at that time. This is in 2018, because Myanmar started first, so Myanmar will end first. So in 2018, we had it in Yangon, right? And the third year, we will change, every time we change the place. But in 2018, Bangkok Bank so kind to sponsor another 2 countries, that is Cambodia. So in Phnom Penh in June 2018. Okay. And that I remember is a Deputy Minister of Education presided over that time. And she said one word that I'm really so proud. She said that we are AEC, but she's never seen anything happen until this one is really materialized for AEC. Oh, that's good. And then in Jakarta, Indonesia, this is the first year, that is July 2018, and our Thai ambassador presided over at the opening ceremony. And he's really aware that what's going on in Indonesia, which is good for Indonesian people. Okay, that's last year, 2019. Let's start the third year of the project in Myanmar, and that is in Mandalay. And I can see, oh, I forgot to tell you that the talented teachers that selected this year, they have to be the trainers next year, wherever it is, okay? And whoever come and help us, you will entitled to come to Thailand the second time. And if you do again, then you can come the third time, okay? But you have to volunteer to help us. So you can see that this is the teachers, right? Are you coming? You here? You here? Yes. She's very good. She really demands. She really do the training, never feel exhausted. Okay? We want the talented like this, so that you can carry over your own after the project ends. And this is in Kampong Chenang, Cambodia in 2019. And I'm so glad that in Kampong Chenang we also have about not really 100,